Hi everyone, here we've got the HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the battery. It should be on the 4th position. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So in order to turn on the switcher, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, from now on, next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. So actually, that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.